your x is 0, that is your independent variable, which is our x, is non-existent, is equals to 0, you have your y to be equals to a. That's what they call constant function. You will see the graph will be straight. That's why you have fixed cost. So, but when x is exist and the x is raised to power 1, you have linear function. I hope you are following. A good example of that is that of our demand function or supply function that we've been explaining. So that P, you are saying that that P is raised to power 1. And don't forget, under linear function, the graph must be straight. But this straight will be downward sloping for the quantity demand. You see, it moves from the left to the right. If you are talking about supply, you say is, if you are saying downward sloping, you say it moves from the right to the left. But that graph must be straight. It must be straight. That's why you call it linear function, linear. It must not curve. Now, moving to curve. If that x, our independent variable, is now raised to power 2, you now have quadratic function. You can see your quadratic function is curve. It may be maximum or minimum curve. You can also have cubic function. That's when your x, y is a function of x. When that x is now raised to power 3, and so on and so forth. You can also have exponential function. You can also have logarithmic function. And if you check your course material, you will see all the graph there. So that in your higher level, whenever you see a function, you should know how the graph will be. Or whenever you see a graph, you should know how the function will be, or a function to write, so that you won't give logarithmic function for exponential function, or you give cubic function for quadratic function. Thank you very much. I hope with this, my little explanation on introduction to mathematics economics, you'll be able to know that as an economist, you need mathematics as a tool to explain all your propositions, your theories, your statements in economics, in order to bring the real, to bring the fact out of all of them. Thank you very much and enjoy your holiday.